Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Windows Defender saying test found frequently Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search box type a event viewer, open it. Select the application and service logs and expand it. Click on open save log. Click on a Microsoft and expand it. Select a Windows and expand it. Scroll down and find out a Windows Defender. Select a Windows Defender and expand it. Select a operational. Click on a clear log and click on clear. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.